Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We're gonna see the gold and the silver together here, what happened today. So after our live stream, we have mentioned, of course, we would like to take the 4,300 here, which is exactly the invalidation of bearish scenario. In case you are impulsive downward, we got invalidation. Wave 4 is not allowed, meaning, of course, this count is out of the equation. Now, if we still, of course, in a potential regular flat A, B, and a C, this is still, of course, a possibility. It's not yet confirmed 100% that we are bullish here, unless, of course, we take exactly this high, which is, of course, right now confirmation even for higher. So that means if we are not in an ABC where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C potentially, and then moving for a wave C impulsively, that means, of course, you're still corrective here. You would like, of course, to see continuation simply for higher, taking the all-time high, meaning, of course, opening the path for another, of course, a bull run here or extension for the gold. And that means, of course, if an extension is opening over there, we might transfer here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3 here, and then 4 and a 5 where you have another 1, 2 here potentially, of course. And that, of course, this will be our potential wave 3, which is the major one, then looking for a wave 4 deeper again. So yeah, the signal was given, I would say today, 4,300 is given, which is of course a potential new high, unless of course we are in a wave B zigzag and then we move towards the downside. So confirmation for higher is requested, of course, in case, of course, we want to see higher prices. Plus, we need to follow, of course, the structure. So if you have double 1, 2 here, and this is gonna be the wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, therefore, yeah, we can call this a potential wave 5. Now for the silver, we don't see really the same as the gold. We saw, of course, a little bit higher prices here, where we saw, of course, the 0.618. However, it's still a potential impulse downward, where you have a wave 4. You have a 1, 2, 3. Wave 4 can be the W, X, and a Y. We spoke about it, of course, in the live stream, where we might have a zigzag toward the upside here after a zigzag X, and we have a wave Y potentially start to move toward the downside probably, but of course to be watched. We still need the invalidation of bearish, of course, in case we are not in an impulse. We need to see the way forward interfering with the zone 1, and that is, of course, invalidation of something bearish. You might have finished ABC, and then you start to move in 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 again, and then you move for the wave 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. However, this is still far for the silver. It is not yet, of course, the same as the gold. That was it for the gold and the silver. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.